Hello, I'm Norman Clark with Norman Clark Painting. Today I'd like to talk to you about using paint to do budget fix-ups. So, what is a budget fix-up? Exactly what it says. Fixing up something on a tight budget. Let me give you some tips for that. One great source of cheap, inexpensive paint is to go to your local paint or hardware store and ask them for the mist tint or the paint that's been rejected or tinted incorrectly by a client. Typically, you'll get those at 80% off of market value. So you can buy some great paint. The only restriction will be maybe the colors aren't exactly what you want, but if you're on a tight budget and you find a color that might work, you're in great shape. I've done it so many times myself. The next thing you can think about for working on a budget is maybe just retouching up the walls that you already have with the existing color. Go into the garage or your closet, dig out a can of that paint and go around and just spruce up, lightly touch up the walls or the woodwork, wherever the high traffic areas are. You can make a great impact by just doing that quick, couple of hour fix. Another couple of great ideas for budget fix up is one, maybe repainting the cabinets in your kitchen or your bathroom. They tend to get beat up and worn out very quickly. So repainting the face of those will give you, especially with another color, will give you a great dramatic effect for little money, little paint, just a little time. Another really great thing to do is to highlight a wall in your room by doing what they call an accent or a wall with a different color. That's a high dramatic impact and it would be a very inexpensive thing to do, especially with paint that's a reject from the paint store. Mist tint paint, that's a great use of that kind of product. Thank you. I'm Norman Clark with Norman Clark Painting, and this was how to do painting on a budget. Thank you.